In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money from Remitly to bank account. First, open your browser and go to the Remitly homepage. On the main screen, choose Send Money. If you've used the site before, click Start Over to clear any saved selections so you're starting from a clean slate. This helps ensure the rates, fees, and options you see reflect exactly what you want to do today, with no leftover settings from a previous transfer. Next, tell Remitly where you're sending. You'll see a prompt asking for the destination country. Pick the country where your recipient's bank account is located. Choosing the correct country is important because it determines available delivery methods, partner banks, local regulations, and the exchange rate you'll get. Take a second to double check this before moving on. Now choose to send to a new recipient. If you haven't sent to this person before, this option lets you add their details from scratch. You'll then see the amount section. Enter what you want to send under you send, remittance, and watch the They Receive field update automatically. This shows the estimated amount in your recipient's currency, including any fees and the current exchange rate. If you adjust either side, Remitly recalculates the other so you can fine-tune the exact amount your recipient is expecting. Select your delivery method. Since this tutorial is about sending to a bank account, choose the bank deposit option when you're prompted. Click Select One to see available choices. Depending on the destination, you may be asked to choose a specific bank or network from a list. Pick the one that matches your recipient's bank and proceed. If you see notes about processing times or cutoff hours, review them so you know when the money will arrive. Next, choose how you'll pay for the transfer. Click Select One to view your funding options. You'll typically see choices like bank account or card. Choose the method that suits you best. Some methods may have different fees or speeds, which are usually shown on screen. After choosing, click Continue to move forward. If you pick bank account, you'll be guided to connect it securely. If you pick card, you'll add your card details shortly. Enter your recipient's information. Start with their first name and last name exactly as they appear on their bank records. Small spelling differences can cause delays, so it's worth being precise here. Continue to proceed. You'll then be asked for the recipient's mobile phone number. Add it if you have it. This can help with delivery updates or verification in some countries. Click Continue to keep going. If an optional prompt appears, for example, to add extra services or offers, you can select No, thanks to skip. Continue again to return to the main flow. To fund the transfer with a card, choose Add New Card, then click Continue to open the card entry form. Enter your card number carefully, followed by the expiration date and the security code. Type your name exactly as it appears on the card. When prompted for billing address, provide the address on file with your card issuer. Matching this information helps prevent declines or verification issues. If the form includes address lines, city, state, or province, postal code, and country, complete them all before moving on. With everything entered, proceed to the review screen. Click Review Details to see a full summary of your transfer. Here you can verify the recipient's name and phone number, your chosen delivery method to a bank account, the amount you're sending, the amount they'll receive, the exchange rate, the transfer fee, and your payment method. This is the perfect moment to confirm there are no typos and that the totals match your intentions. If something looks off, go back and edit before you finalize. When it all looks good, you're ready to proceed with the transfer. That's the entire process of sending money with Remitly to a bank account. From opening the site, setting up a new recipient, choosing delivery and payment methods, entering secure details, and reviewing everything for accuracy.